Scrapers, picks and awls are simple tools that every toolbox should have on board. Here's just a small number of tasks you could accomplish with a ToolPRO 5-piece scraper and remover set. For scraping rust, loose paint, old gaskets and much more, there's a long and short scraper, one with a wider blade than the other. Just slide them along to clear up the surface. The sturdy construction allows them to remove the most stubborn material, while the solid plastic handle protects your hands. The 200mm scratch awl is handy for a variety of jobs. Scratching a mark into a surface for cutting, poking holes in soft materials, or picking staples from wood are just a few things you can do with this tool. The Cotter Pin Puller features a hook with a taper to pull all sizes of split pins. The Radiator hose remover is uniquely shaped, designed to slip underneath stuck radiator hoses, breaking them free of their fittings. Of course, none of these tools are limited to a set purpose, so add them to your tool collection and see just how many uses you can find.